eningi nibingelele kusayena umqondisi umdlalo wasunyanda ephahla uMadlulu Dikane. Bafethu, welcome to ukhanya neDiski. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu khulu kuza. Namhlanje bafethu engifika nendaba bafethu ezingahlalanga kahle. uJose Rivero coach Orlando Pirates usedecide ukuthi uyahamba makuphela isizini. Maningi ama-comment eswatholile einkundleni zokuxhumana. Abanye bathi uJose Rivero besaeli ukuthi angahamba kwiPirates. Mina personally I think iPirates isamdinga uJose Rivero. I wish uDr Alvin Khoza bengakhona ukuthi renew icontract yakhe. And another thing, abanye bathi a winner knows when to leave, and then ngeke ngiphikise kakhulu, mara what I know is that in history of Orlando Pirates, I think Jose Rivero is the best coach Orlando Pirates has ever had. Jose Rivero na 3 seasons in Orlando Pirates. First season win a MTN 8 Nedbank Cup, number 2 on the lock. Second season MTN 8 Nedbank Cup, second on the lock. This season Jose Rivero already won MTN 8, quarter final in CAF Champions League, semi-final in Nedbank Cup. If uJose Rivero ngabe ukuthi uyahamba ngempela, I think Orlando Pirates kuzomela izama ukuthi ithole umunye ucoach ongafitha kuyicathulo za Jose Rivero.